Alright, missing angles of quadrilaterals. Okay, so square is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided object. So quad means four, lateral means sides. So here, let's start with a square. I've got 90, 90, 90, and 90. It's got four right angles. 90 times 4 equals 360. So, squares, this is a square right here. Those tick marks mean they're all the same side. A square is a quadrilateral. A square has 360 degrees, like all quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals have 360 degrees, similar to how all triangles have a measure of 180 degrees if you add up all the sides. All the angles. So, here we've got, and we're missing angle A. We're looking for angle A here. We know angle B equals 110. Angle C is a 90-degree angle. That little square means it's 90 degrees. And D is 88 degrees. This one right here is 88. And I'm looking for A. So, I know if I add all these up, they've got to equal 360. So I can write angle A plus angle B, which is 110, plus angle C, which is 90, plus angle D, which is 88. These all have to add up to 360 degrees. So 110 plus 90 equals 200. 200 plus 88 equals 288. So angle A plus 288 equals 360. So, if I want to get angle A by itself, in order to get rid of this plus 288, I subtract 288. If I subtract 288 from this side of the equation, I must also, to keep this equal, subtract 288 from this side of the equation. So, angle A plus 288 minus 288, they cancel out. So I have angle A equals 360 minus the sum of these other three angles. So 360 minus 288, make this a make this a 5, make this a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 8, can't do that, make this a 2, regroup this, that becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So angle A here must be 72 degrees. And I could check this by adding these all up and making sure that they equal 360 degrees, because all quadrilaterals equal 360 degrees if you add up the interior angles. Next one, we're missing angle A. We know angle A plus angle B, which is 160, plus angle C, which is 26, plus angle D, which is 162. Altogether, the sum of these four angles has got to be 360 degrees, because all quadrilaterals add up to 360 degrees when you add up the interior angles. So, 160 plus 26 gives me 186 plus 162 plus angle A. So angle A plus, I just added these two up, plus 186 plus 162 equals 360. 186 plus 162, let's see, 186 plus 162 brings me to 348. So angle A plus 348, the sum of these other angles, equals 360 degrees. So, if I subtract 348 from this side of the equation, I subtract 348 from this side of the equation. So, angle A here has got to be 360 minus 348, the sum of the other three angles, and that gives me, make this a 5, this becomes 10 minus 8 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, so this must be a 12-degree angle. If this is 162, this is 160, and that's 26, this one's got to be 12, because all four of them add up to 160 degrees. So here, angle A would equal 12 degrees. missing angle A. We know angle B is 52 degrees, so let's write this. Angle A plus 52, which is angle B, plus 100, which is angle C, plus 55. The sum of all four of these angles, just like any quadrilateral, has got to be 360 degrees. So 52 plus 100 is 152. 152 plus 55. 152 plus 55 brings me to 207. So angle A, this big fat angle right here, obtuse angle, plus 207 equals 360 degrees. So, to get angle A alone, I subtract 207 from this side. I must also subtract 207 from this side, and that'll give me my angle for A, my measure for angle A. So let's do it. 360 minus the sum of these other three angles, 207. Make this a 5, make this 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So this angle right here has to be 153 degrees. 153 plus 52 plus 100 plus 55 brings us to 360. So angle A here is 153 degrees. Alright, here we've got angle A. We're missing angle A. So let me write this. Angle A plus 125, that's angle B, plus angle C, which is 85, plus angle D, which is 115. These all add up to 360 degrees. So, if I add these up, 125 plus 85, 0, carry the 210, plus the 115, 210 plus 115 gives me 325. So these three angles add up to 325, and I know with this angle A, they're all going to add up to 360. So I have angle A plus 325 equals 360 degrees. So, to get angle A alone, I subtract 325 from this side. I must also subtract 325 from this side. Angle A plus 325 minus 325, they cancel out. So angle A equals 360 minus the sum of these other three angles. So, make this a 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this angle A must be 35 degrees. Angle A here equals 35 degrees because all four of them added up equal 360 for any quadrilateral. Alright, here we're missing angle A. We know angle B is 100 degrees, angle C is 95, and angle D is 130. And all four of these together equal 360. So angle A plus angle B, which is 100, plus angle C, which is 95, plus angle D, which is 130. Altogether, these equal 360 degrees. So 100 plus 95, 195, 195 plus 130 brings me to 325. So the three of these angles add up to 325 degrees. So I have angle A plus 325 degrees equals 360 degrees. So to get rid of this plus 325, we subtract 325. We do to one side, we do to the other side of the equation. Angle A plus 325 minus 325, these cancel out. So I get angle A equals 360 minus 325. Make this a 5, that's a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So angle A here would equal 35 degrees. And I can check that by making sure 35 plus 100 plus 95 plus 130 adds up to 360. Because all quadrilaterals, if you add up their interior angles, it equals 360 degrees.